Good day. Find which one is greater, lesser, or equal. Answers in symbol. Greater sign, less than sign, or equal sign. There will be 25 items, and each item you are allowed to answer in 15 seconds. Students, get ready. Number 1. Number 2. Item number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Item number 8. Item number 9. Item number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Item number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. $18. Item number 19. $20. Item number 21. Number 22. Number 23. $24. And the last item is number 25. Congratulations, kids! This is the end of the quiz. I hope you answered them well. And now, here are the answers. Please check your answers honestly. I repeat, be honest. Good day. Find which one is greater, lesser, or equal. Answers in symbol. Greater sign, less than sign, or equal sign. There will be 25 items, and each item you are allowed to answer in 15 seconds. Students, get ready. Item number 1. 30 is greater than 20. Question number 2. 15 is less than 20. Question number 3. 25 is equal to 25. Number 4. 27 is greater than 25. Question number 5. 38 is greater than 35. Question number 6. 75 is greater than 35. Question number 7. 75 is equal to 75. Question number 8. 35 is less than 75. Question number 9. 53 is greater than 35. Question number 10. 33 is less than 35. Question number 11. 43 is greater than 35. Question number 12 is 103 is less than 105. Question number 13. 103 is equal to 103. Question 14 is 130 is less than 301. Question 15, 35 is less than 75. Question 16 is 10 is less than 40. Question number 17, 10 plus 50 is equal to 60. Number 18 is 11 plus 50 is greater than 60. Or 61 is greater than 60. Next number is 19. 11 plus 30 is less than 50. Or 41 is less than 50. Number 20 is 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. Number 21 is 21 plus 30 is equal to 51. Number 22 is 31 plus 30 is greater than 51. Or 61 is greater than 51. Number 23 is 31 minus 30 is equal to 1. Or 1 is equal to 1. Number 24 is 31 plus 30 is equal to 61. Our last question is number 25. 51 plus 30 is equal to 81. Now it is the end of the quiz. It's time to tally your scores. The perfect score is 25 over 25.